What are healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss? Are you tired of the same old breakfast routine and looking for healthier options to kickstart your weight loss journey? Look no further. We've got you covered with some delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas. Start your day with a protein-packed omelette filled with tasty vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, and mushrooms. This not only keeps you full for longer, but also provides essential nutrients to fuel your day. Try an antioxidant-rich smoothie bowl, combining your favorite fruits, some spinach or kale, and a scoop of protein powder. Top it with nuts, seeds, or granola for that extra crunch and satisfaction. Overnight oats are a simple yet satisfying breakfast option. Combine oats, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and your choice of fruits or nuts. Let it sit overnight and your breakfast is ready to go when you wake up. For something savory, opt for a whole grain toast with smashed avocado and a sprinkle of chili flakes. Add a side of cherry tomatoes or a boiled egg for an extra dose of protein and vitamins. If you're in a rush, don't worry. Grab a handful of mixed nuts, fruits, and yogurt for a quick and healthy breakfast option. It's fast, filling, and fuels your body with essential nutrients. Craving something sweet? Try making banana pancakes by mixing ripe bananas, eggs, and oats. Cook them in a non-stick pan and top with fresh berries or a drizzle of honey for a guilt-free treat. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so make sure to choose healthy options that will keep you full and energized. With these tasty ideas, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Please subscribe.